This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to give a commentary on drones. You know, those ubiquitous flying machines that any 5-year-old to a 99-year-old can buy and fly. Let me give you first a little bit of information about myself before we get into the drone commentary. I really love to camp. I've been camping since the 50s. And I've been to parks in California, New Mexico, Arizona, Mexico, Texas, Colorado, Wyoming, you know, Oregon. I really love camping in the mountains or at the beach. Why do I go camping? Why do you go camping? Typically, it's not to run into a bunch of people and act crazy and just, maybe some of you do, and hear a bunch of noise, loud music. You can get that at home, can't you? You can watch TV at home, can't you? You can listen to music at home, you know, do all that craziness at home. Most of us that do like to camp, and I backpacked into the wilderness for, you know, a week at a time with my wife, is we want to get away from it all. We want to get away from the sound of the office machine, the various office machines, the people in the office, the cars, the traffic, the noise of industrialized America. We want to get away from that. We want to hear the babbling brook. We want to hear that, you know, blue jay. We want to hear, you know, the sounds of nature, the sounds of the hawks, the deer, the bison, the antelope. We want to see those animals in nature, you know. We all know that if our government had the, you know, and our various corporations had their way, we'd have condos around the Grand Canyon, and Yellowstone would be filled with, you know, would be tapped for its mineral resources, especially the geothermal resources, which are quite abundant. So at this time, we're fighting that stuff. We're saying we want more nature. We want to preserve nature for our children, our grandchildren, and we want it to have it as a legacy. People can go out in a space and just relax. You know, take a hike in nature, and it seems, at least it appears, that you're the first person there. You know, you're having a great time communing with nature. Well, that's when the drones come in. I was at Big Bend, where it's, you know, it was pretty nice. I really had a great time down there. And then I'm just walking around in nature, having a good time, looking at the various animal life, plant life, just really enjoying the horizon. And then all of a sudden, there it comes. Sounds like a mosquito almost, a drone. Of course, they're taking fabulous photos and fabulous video and having a great time. You know, they're going to stitch those photos together and make a beautiful panorama and sell it at the craft fair. They're going to shoot that, they're going to have that video they're going to share with their friends on YouTube. I understand that. But how about me? What about my needs? I was having a great time. You know, I want just to go fishing and just relax. I don't want to hear that sound while I'm fishing, you know, other than mosquitoes. You can't help that. So, drones, you know, they are becoming ubiquitous. You know, you see them everywhere. Again, every 5-year-old kid gets them for Christmas. You know, they're flying them everywhere. You know, I live across from a lake, and they are flying drones day and night. You know, over my house, zoom. You know, there they go. But I think they should ban drones at national parks and BLM land. If I had my druthers, just ban them, outright ban them, because, you know, I know it's a beautiful space. I don't need you to do that glorious shot from 500 feet up of the, or 400 feet up, you know, of the campground, and, you know, have that nice view. I already know it's beautiful. I don't need you to tell me. It was more beautiful when you weren't there, actually. It was better because I didn't have to hear that racket, that noise, that buzz of the drones. I looked up drones on YouTube, and all of a sudden I just got you know, how to do this drone, how to do that drone, the differences between this drone and that drone, how to make, you know, drone footage look fabulous, like cinema-like, how to take great drone photos and stitch them together in HDR and make a great panorama. Yeah, drones are great for that. You know, in the suburbs, maybe a little bit in the countryside, but not in national parks and BLM land. I'd go there just to get away from you folks, and you're coming at me with all these drones. I hate drones. I will never buy a drone. At least at this time, I think I'll never buy a drone. So this has been my opinion. What do you think? Do you think drones should be allowed everywhere to become ubiquitous? To be introduced into your space? You know, drones are very powerful machines that can go over your house. You can be there just relaxing in the hot tub with the old lady, and there they are taking pictures of you, or at your campsite, or when you're fishing, or when you're hiking. You know, I don't like that. They should be outlawed in certain instances, but you know, it's a lot of fun, I know that. They take great pictures, I know that. Fabulous videos, from that perspective, wow. So this has been an editorial, my opinion. My name is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and please leave those respectful and friendly comments. I greatly would appreciate it. Gracias, adios, bye-bye.